Hi friends, welcome to Madhimit NP channel. Today we are going to see term 2 5th standard social science subject environmental pollution part 2. First heading is conserving the environment. Conservation means saving and protecting the environment. What is conservation? What is conservation means that we should save and it will protect our environment is a storehouse of natural resources. How our environment will be storehouse of natural resources. Some of the ways in which we can conserve our environment. Is there some ways to conserve our environment? Okay, what are the points we can see here? We can stop using non-biodegradable. We should avoid using the non-biodegradable materials like plastic, synthetic bags, as they do not decompose naturally. We can avoid using or completely, right? Completely we can stop non-biodegradable materials. We should stop the non-biodegradable waste materials. And what are the non-biodegradable waste materials that did not properly decomposed? Okay, what are the examples? Means plastic and synthetic bags, as they do not decompose. That will not decompose, right? That's called the non-biodegradable waste. Next, we should plant more trees. We should plant more trees. Planting trees prevent from being washed away. If we plant the trees, it will prevent soil from the washed away. Trees also release oxygen to the air. Next, the use of household applicants like air conditioners should be controlled, as they release harmful gases and deplete the ozone layer. The use of household applications like modern homes have the air conditioner. It will control as it will give harmful gases, right? That will affect the ozone layer. Next point is garbage should not be dumped in water bodies but taken to sewage treatment plants. The garbage is there, that should not be dumped in the water bodies. More than garbages, they will put in the water bodies only. In the river, seas, they will put there only, because that will no one see that, right? That will go. River or not stopped. It will goes. That's why the garbage will be goes there. But taken to sewage treatment plants, that will go and mixed on the oceans, right? That we will pure it and we will drink it. That some of the villages are drinking that river waters, right? That's they also it will gives affection, and for plants also. Factories and vehicle owners should get regular checks done to ensure that their emission level is within the limits set by laws. Next, factories and vehicles are there that should get regular checks. The factories and vehicles owners should get regularly. They will check into that they emission level within the limits set by laws or not. Emission level is correct or not. They will check that immediately. Regularly they will check that. Next, noise pollution from vehicles can be reduced by avoiding necessary honking, loudspeakers. Noise pollution from vehicles can be reduced by avoiding necessary honking, right? See, the noise pollution we already learned that the noise pollution from the vehicles also is coming, right? That will it will avoid unnecessarily honking, right? That will some of will unnecessarily it will. Next, loudspeakers and loud music sounds be within prescribed limits when played in public. In your homes and all, they will put a loudspeaker is there more than then they will fully decrease, and the loud music and that will with limits they will go more than the limits, and they will play it or dance. They will also there dance. They will put a song and they will dance. Next, reduce, reuse and recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle, or three. Reduce, reuse and the recycle, right? Reduce, reuse and recycle are the 3 R's. What are the 3 R's? Reduce, reuse and the last one is recycle are the 3 R's. They are the foundational principles of conservation of natural resources and energy. They are foundational, right? They will foundational principle of for natural conservation for the natural and energy. Let's learn how this can be implemented to conserve natural resources, protect the environment. Let us learn the implemented to conserve natural resources and protects the environment. Next, what are they means? We already saw reduce, reuse and recycle out there. Correct? See, here is there reduce, reuse, last one is recycle. In this we are going to learn the reduce, recycle and okay, what is mean by reduce? What is mean by reduce? We are going to see. Reduce means what we are using lessly we are using that we call the reduce. If example, if we need one thing, we will purchase in the market. In that, if there is one biscuit, we need one biscuit pocket, but there is one of packet. We need one biscuit pack, but there is a stock of the biscuits are there. If this is not there, this like of biscuit, this box of biscuits only is there, means you will buy that. We should not. You reduce means if they say it didn't have, we leave it and we can buy another biscuits or another company. Correct? That's called reduce. Next, reuse. Reuse, using things more than once. Using things more than once. If we buy one dress, we will use one time and we will put it. No, we will put a one time, 2 time, 3 time, more than one time. We will put more than that. We will put it. We will not throw it. Next, recycle. Recycle means processing used materials into new products from further use. Processing materials, right? The new products of further use also is there. Processing used materials into new products for further use. That also is there. Next, things to do. Things what we should do. They are mentioning here. Things what we should do. First point they given here na. What they given? First we will study this box. We will study this box. First box. Buy just the things you really needed. Buy just the things you really needed. Buy just the things you really needed. It means whatever things we just need really. If we want to buy one a blue pen, we will go. there will be the one blue pen. The blue pen is set of the 3 blue pen is balance is there. This side, just in this 2 boxes there. This box and blue pen, 2 blue, 1 blue pen, another one blue pen, blue pen, blue pen. So in this box, if you get one, that's buy one get one free. That like is there. If you get one blue pen, you will get 2 black pen. That like they written. But we should buy what? We should not buy. That is buy one get one free. We can buy it. It will useful us. No, what we need that only we should take. What we need the blue pen only. So we can take the blue pen. That's in the first point. Buy things that can be used again. What are the things we should buy that will used again and again? One time use that things we should not buy. We should buy used again and used products only. Okay, ma'am. Look next. Look for products that are packed in environment friendly packaging. Look for the products are packed the environment friendly packaging. Understand? Next, we are going to see the next box. Avoid using disposable things and buy things that can be used again. We should avoid the disposable things and buy things that can be used again. We should not buy a disposable that like of things. We should buy and that's used again and again. Donate old toys and books and clothes. You should donate what are old toys, old books and old clothes. We will save that. That's a small child. We buy these toys. We should not save that. Donate our old toys, which when we donate that, then only we can get new. Understand? Next, we are going to the third para. Next, short waste at home. Next, third para is there now. That when we can see short waste at home. Dump biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste in separate bins. We should make at home a dump biodegradable and separate non-biodegradable waste. That we put means we will put all the short wastes at the home itself. Next, second point, send biodegradable waste to recycling pesticides. Or we should send all biodegradable waste to recycle the pesticides. Recycle things yourself. Recycling things yourself. We ourselves only, right? Reuse old paper. Wastewater can be used for watering plants. Reuse the old papers and the wastewater can be used for what? They will be used for watering the plants. And shopping bags can be made from the old cloths. The shopping bags are made from the old cloths. Okay, next they are giving some examples downside. You can see here what they are giving us means use paper bags instead of plastic bags. It is very important. Use the paper bags instead of plastic bags. We will use the plastic bags. Instead of that, we can use the paper bags. It's a good thing. Next, reuse the tire. If our tire is puncture or anything, we will throw it and we will buy a new tire and we will put for the cars, right? Anybody having the car means they can. If the going way the tire is punctured, then that we will take and throw it and we will take another one and buy and we will fix it on it the car. But it is reused. We can reuse the tire for growing the plants or any crafts. So we should not throw any. We should not pollute our environment. Next, recycling bins. Recycling bins, I already said na. That's they're separating given right. Paper, glass, plastic, metal. That like they are giving non-biodegradable. That term that for just that they given that non-biodegradable and biodegradable. This only we can do at the home, right? Then that we do. Papers, more than papers, glasses, plastic. Plastic will be more than plastic, paper, metals, glasses at all will not there. This is some only, but biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste is more than we have. We should avoid the non-biodegradable waste. Thank you, friends. Bye bye, friends. Click the like button and subscribe to the Madhumit NP channel.